White, with the white.
Yeah, not that it would. He's and when 4 kids, he goes, where am I going to go? He goes, you're taking my whole paycheck. Lindsay, get her! Oh, yes! I think it's a great thing.
Just trying to get it in there.
Are you a monkey?
She doesn't like those clothes. She hates them, but they told she's not allowed. Hey, she's not allowed to be without them.
How are they doing? Go, Leah!
Come on, guys, block the ball.
Kick it to Lauren! Is she offside?
All right! Go, go, go!
It would have been Yuli. We would have been ready for little ones.
Ooh!
I see her. Yeah. Minnie Mouse.
Kick it!
Go, Emmy! Turn around, go get it!
Go, Lauren!
Yes, Emmy. Come on, Emmy. Emmy, get it. Come on, Emmy.
Go ahead, number 2, kick it in.
They have it over there. Get the ball out. Get it out.
Go, Leah! Wait 1 sec.
Lindsay! I don't come with the 6 out of last time we were in the Hollywood body for them. Oh, wow. So I lose my voice.
Leah, kick it now. Oh.